he would have been able to be curious enough to go, I get these mistakes all the time and they seem to come from this station or they seem to come from here, enabling that conversation and curiosity between them to go resolve it, right? If you go back, the first time I went to NUMMI, and this was always I remember this to this day, that was back in 86 or 87. And the teams had the wall. This was the whole conversation about the wall, where you put all the steps on the wall, etc. And the team was actively engaged on driving the improvements, even though they knew that when they hit that next level, one of their team members was not going to be part of their team. And so I had the conversation with them around that. And it wasn't a drive of the leadership or whatever, it was a drive of improvements. They wanted to get better and more efficient at what they did, eliminate the waste. So I asked them, so when you guys get done with all of this, one of you won't be here because it doesn't require 5 of you. And they said yes. And the person who was going to be impacted by it because of the seniority, because they still ran in seniority in the plant, they said, it's me, but I'll go off and work with another team and we'll do the same thing all over again. And he was happy with that because what they were doing was driving improvements, and he was able to actually give in that I can make a difference for the customer, but I'll also get to go experience another area and do the same thing again.